Alrighty, late recap once again. Was spending this Thanksgiving, of course, enjoying time with family and whatnot. Um, this was a Wednesday recap, September. Let's see. What am I saying? November 25th or 26th. It is Sunday, November 30th. So yeah, well, pretty late. But yeah, this is the last trade. Well, I did end up taking a trade on Thanksgiving. Was a loss. Was on an eval though. Didn't really care too much about it. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do that recap as well. But this is the last like serious trade where I actually woke up and for real traded. Yeah, there's a losing trade behind this, so I'm gonna have to show that as well. I forgot to put it up on here, but yeah. So we had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Thanksgiving, Friday. I didn't even trade Friday, dude. I woke up, checked the markets on my phone. I just went straight to bed. I was like, fuck this. Yeah. I had an amazing Thanksgiving weekend. Cowboys beat the Chiefs. Now 6-5-1. Gotta win out this season, bro, to make playoffs. So hopefully we can do that. But yeah, great week. Loved. Getting time away from the charts. I haven't had that in such a long time. It's been, I don't even know the last time it's been since I've gone like 3 to 4 days without looking at the market. So yeah, honestly, just crazy break. Looking to come back this week refreshed and whatnot. Yeah, but let's go ahead and get into this trade recap. So get into 8:30. So, all right, coming into this day, Wednesday. Rejecting out of a 15-minute right here. We do have 1 hour in Asia. As a great level beneath us. We have an SMT here with that level. As you can see, we took out London. Not London. Asia on ES, and we didn't on NQ. I think we're rejecting out of a 4 hour. Yes, we have a 4 hour right there. Inside of an hourly as well. Great rejection level. And on the 15-minute, well, let me go to the hourly and show you. We have an. Oh, don't mind this. This is from like the next day, but yeah, we have an SMT with these highs here, which is still low resistance. We built low resistance, but we made an SMT as well. So yeah, overall leaning bullish. I can expect like a little halt here just because we're developing this trend line. But either way, the only target I was looking to aim for was London, and then I could have expected like a tap back up to this level and then maybe chop or go down, whatever the market wants to do. But all I was looking for was London at this on this day. And let's see if we have any 15-minute SMTs. Yo, my hair is a mess. Okay, we tap into a 15-minute here on ES, but we don't on NQ, so we do have an SMT right there. Or I don't think it's an SMT. I think we just didn't form a fair value gap. Either way, it doesn't really matter. The main target is, of course, London, like I said. So now let's go ahead and okay, we had equal highs up here. So yeah, looking for a 5 or 15-minute pullback and a continuation model from there. Now, once we did run up from here, sorry for the noise in the background, and my nose hurts for some reason. There's like a weird, I don't know, dude, like a whistling noise that's been going on. I have no idea what it is. But yeah, we took London, so the objective is already taken. But however, I do love this level that we have here. As you can see, we have low resistance stacked up here. We have this true day level open. We have equal lows here. This is just the end of this low resistance. Sorry for my slurring, but yeah. Can I mark it, please? Thank you. And we also have OTE at this level here. So from here, I was like, you know what? Shorts look amazing, okay? I wasn't expecting all of this low resistance up here to get hit. Was honestly expecting us to reverse here because we were building that trend line. We also have that SMT in check, so it's like, yeah, it's really reasonable. And, you know, I'm not looking for a major reversal, just looking for this level here. So, yeah, we don't have any 1 minutes or anything. Let me actually pull this back. Dude, this thing's so fucking annoying. I don't know what that noise is. We don't have a 1 minute, okay? We don't have a 2 minute. We don't have a 3 minute. The only thing we don't have a 5 minute either. The only thing we had was a 4 minute, and we were about to get this inverse. And let's actually check where this was at on the 1 minute. Yeah, it was around right here where we ended up closing. Let me mark the actual 4 minute fair value gap inverse. Okay. So yeah, we came all the way down here. Thought we were gonna inverse, was looking at enter, and then we popped back up right into this imbalance, but we did fill this 1 minute gap. And so I was like, you know what, I'll still take it. Just maybe we get it. Hopefully we get it the next candle. Of course, if we don't get it the next candle after this right here, then not gonna take it, or after this one right here. But luckily we got it right after, so ended up getting the inverse. And yeah, this was the entry. Wow, was my entry the same exact as the previous level? My stop was somewhere like right there. I think it was like around a 1.5 or 1 to 2. Yeah, my stop was right here then. It was a 1.2 RR, so not bad at all. I like this. This did end up failing. As you can see, we went straight to stop loss. I wanted to go break even here. This was a great break even point at the EQ of this range, as well as this intermediate low. However, we already did hit that level, so it's quite unfortunate. We did come back down. Was looking to go break even at this recent swing low. Didn't end up happening. And we ran up towards stop loss, and then we eventually had a resweep. Now, if I go back, let's give a few takeaways from this trade that could have helped us avoid this. So for one, this 4 minute would have been clean if we got it. The fact that we bounced back up and then waited a whole nother 4 minutes to get it after, kind of sketchy. Not too much of a turn off for me. Like, I'm still willing to I'd still be willing to take this here on NQ. Okay, I really like it. And I love the draw. The draw and liquidity is so just, it's just too good not to take and aim for, right? But if we do go on ES, or let's take it back to where the entry took place, somewhere around here. If we look at ES, this does not look bearish at all, okay? We reject out of a 4 minute, that same 4 minute that we were looking at inverse. On NQ, we reject out of that completely, reject out of a 3 minute, out of a 2 minute, and out of a 1 minute. We literally just rejected out of 4 different time frame fair value gaps, and then inverse this 1 minute here. This just looks bullish, okay? Nothing on here says we're being bearish, okay? This does not look like bearish price action at all. So if I would have seen that, you know, like as I said on NQ, if you're looking at just strictly NQ, yes, it doesn't look too bad. You know, maybe the delivery doesn't look the best, but still willing to take this. But whenever you see something like this on ES, this just pretty much confirms. I mean, you already can see that, you know, this isn't the best entry model, I should say. The narrative was great. You know, I love the sweep and everything. The targets were great. Just the entry model itself did not look that great. So having ES here would have definitely confirmed that, and, you know, could have helped me avoid it, but it's all right. We still took a loss either way, so it's nothing we can do about it. But we do end up eventually resweeping this level, and this is not updated for some reason. I don't know why. If we go on the 4 minute, we have a very clean 4 minute right there. We don't have, well, we do have, sorry, not don't. We have a 3 minute, a 2 minute, and I don't think we have a 1 minute. I don't know. Okay, we have a 1 minute down here, but yeah, we have multiple time frame fair value gaps. The 4 is the first one to get inversed, and it was the highest time frame, so, you know, nothing to really worry about. Once we take that, I got a little bit of a later entry. It's all good. We still know what the main entry is. Stops above this 4 minute inverse. Really did not want to see this run up. If we did, I mean, seeing how this setup failed, it's most likely going to be a loss. So also wanted a really good R, which we got a 1.8 R here. Aiming for these targets. And yeah, let's see if this updated. Okay, there we go. So if you take this away, right? Uh-oh, what the hell? This is where we were when we got the initial entry, okay? Remember I said it does not look bearish at all. It looks pretty bullish to me. This looks bearish to me, okay? We're chopping, and boom, within 3 minutes, we just take away all this progress of going up, right? This looks very bearish to me. Oh my gosh, my nose. And then not only that, but we also have a very clean and straightforward inverse here on the 4 minute. Uh-oh, what the hell? And yeah, so let's go ahead and play this trade out. Boom, the 4 minute happened right there. Break even. I didn't even go break even here, okay? I was looking to go break even right here at this low, but I was like, man, this is either going to be a loss or a win. I'm not going break even. I already took a loss on the day, so it's like, you know, I want to make this shit back. But also, you know, just the draw is so obvious, and the fact that we had a resweep and we had great structure after this loss, this is just like confirmed to be a win, okay? Now at this trade, I wasn't even looking, dude. I just set my TP down here, and I just went. I didn't even see, like, I wasn't even looking at price. I just set it and went to go play basketball in the little indoor thing downstairs. And then that shit got hit like almost instantaneously. We retraced, and I was watching markets around right here. I saw us come back up, and I was like, that's when I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna bother micromanaging this. I'm not even gonna go break even. So it's either gonna be a win or a loss. And that's when I just dipped. And then I brought my laptop down with me, and then as soon as I went downstairs, I see this shit happen, and boom, we smacked TP within 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, whatever it is. And yeah, just a great trade. You know, this is. Oh my gosh, this noise is so fucking annoying, dude. I don't know why it's making that noise. I don't know what it is either, and I keep stuttering. But anyways, yeah, this is the delivery that you want to see. Okay, this is some bullshit. Definitely could have been avoided if I just paid a little bit more attention. Maybe I got too antsy. I really like the level here. I should have took into consideration what the price action looked like and what it was telling me. But this, on the other hand, I'm so glad I caught this. And yeah, it's a great trade, dude. I really hope we get some price action like this in December. I mean, just a very clean inverse, you know, small retrace, and just straight dump, dump, dump towards TP, bro. None of that choppy bullshit, you know. We're not fucking doing this bullshit all the way down to here. It's just, dude, it's literally just straight boom, boom, bro. I'm expecting every single trade on December to be like this, okay? I don't want to see nothing, no bullshit, bro. I know last month was so ass. I mean, last month I wasn't trading IFEGs. Not last month, sorry, last year. Last year in December, I was not trading IFEGs. I was trading the fair value gap, like, you know, the fair value gap taps, and then we have an entry, you know, respect, or a candlestick respecting that fair value gap. Dude, that shit was so buns, bro. Oh my gosh, it was so outdated. So we'll see how IFEGs work in December. Honestly, I don't even have much expectation. I'm just hoping for good price action. Yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this recap. And let me just play out how price went for the rest of the day. I don't think we really got anything else, because even if you did take an entry somewhere around here off this level getting hit, we still had this 5 ended up here. So nothing on for this day. Also, this day was a top step bugged out. So like, you know, the shit was weird. I made a little bit more than what my TP was, but that was some bull crap, bro. Straight bullshit. I got lucky. My friend's order didn't even get filled, so he took this trade, and then, you know, it didn't even register. Like, it didn't place or anything, so he missed out on a win that he should have taken, but he ended up taking this play. We had a 5 minute respect right there. Complete fill this 5 minute, targeting this liquidity up here, and that shit banked. And yeah, let me just play this out on the 5 minutes, see what happened. Do we just run up? Yeah, we just ran up and then chopped from here. But anyways, that's going to be it for the recap. Just go ahead and show the trade that I took one more time. Entry right here, stopped, and then banked here. Let me think. Anything else I have to say before that in this recap? Because I haven't done a video in a mad long time. It's been so long. Honestly, no. Great DOL for the day. One entry model failed. The other one ended up playing out, and that's literally it. This day was so clean, dude. It was so clean. Nothing else needed to say, dude. This just beautiful. So, hoping this week is filled with good price action, good setups, and yeah, we'll see how this week goes. I'm gonna just do the week recap tomorrow. Not really much to go over on the week recap. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday we took a win. Tuesday we took a loss and a break even, but we were stopped in profit, so pretty much just a break even day. Wednesday we banked. Oh, that's right. I need to go over this shitty setup or shitty trade that I took. It was on eval, so honestly not too mad at myself. Just kind of just feels like crap because it was Thanksgiving. I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? Dude, this fucking noise is pissing me the shit off, bro. I don't even have words to describe how annoyed I'm like numb to it at this point, but anyways, we just have a bunch of low resistance right here. I really want to see Lonnie get hit. We have equal highs up here. We low-key kind of got it set up from equal highs, targeting these low resistance lows right there, but I'm not going to go too in-depth in it just because it's a bank holiday. I'll go more in-depth on it maybe on the week recap. But yeah, we inverse the 2 minute here as well as the 1 minute. Boom, entry right there. And once we pushed up, like right here, and made it equal highs, I moved my stop to be like right around here. So I took only not crazy loss, and then would have, took a fat loss right there. Saved myself from that, so I was only down a little bit for this day on the eval. And then once we ran up, I kind of just chased an entry here, just hoping for the best because I really wanted to see this low resistance get hit. But I mean, it's a bank holiday. What can I fucking expect? I mean, look at this price action, dude. I should have just got off, went to bed. Dude, I was just, all I had to do was just stay in bed, wake up, and go play pickleball and hang out with family that day, bro. But no. I just had to do some dumb shit. So yeah, losing trade here. Nothing else to take at all. I was just chasing entries. I entered somewhere around here. I don't even know where I entered, and then I just held it. I could have went break even. I was thinking like, let me just go break even, get off for the day. But now I ended up blowing this eval off of just entering and then no stop loss. Either was gonna hit TP or just blow the account. Yeah, it was an eval, as I said, like for the 100th time, so I really didn't give a fuck. And then at that point, I was just off for the day, for the whole week. As I said, checked the charts like one time on my phone Friday morning, and then just hopped off immediately. Yeah, I'm kind of just yapping, so as I do every single video, I always just start yapping at the end. I make it so much longer than it needs to, but yeah, very great trade, and that's going to be it. Peace.